Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Drinkwater. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy and staying busy. It's always so nice to see you at the car parade at the school. I hope I get to see you again. Well, today I was going to do a really fun experiment for you. It's called walking water. And you have these supplies at your house. What you would need is a big pitcher of water. You need some food coloring. You need 7 clear glasses. You can use plastic or you can use tall ones. It's up to you, whatever you would like. I'm using these short clear glasses. You need just the red food coloring, the yellow food coloring, and the blue food coloring. And you need something to stir the water with. You also need a pair of scissors, and you need 3 paper towels. Okay, all right, let's set up our experiment. You take the pitcher of water and you're going to fill up the very first glass, almost all the way to the top. And then we're going to skip the next one. I'm going to fill the third one up, almost all the way to the top. I'm going to skip the fourth one. I'm going to fill the fifth one in, all the way to the top almost. We're going to skip the sixth one, and we're going to fill the very last one up, almost all the way to the top. Okay. Now, we're going to take our red food coloring. I'm going to put a few drops of the red. Okay. We're going to mix that up. Then we're going to take our yellow food coloring. And mix that up. Then our blue, and we're going to put some in here. And we're going to mix that one up. And then we're going to take our red food coloring again, and we're going to put it in our very last one. Just put a little more in there, make that dark red. And we're going to mix those up. Okay, now we're going to take our paper towels. We're going to take our paper towels and we're going to fold all 3 of them in half. And we take our scissors, we're going to cut right up the center on all 3 of those paper towels. Okay, and I have already done that to my paper towels. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to take 1/2 of that and we're going to fold it in half and then fold it again to make a strip. Just like that. Okay, so I already made mine. So you should have 6 strips. So I'm going to take my first strip and I'm going to bend it over like this. And I'm going to stick it in the very first glass with the red water and in the empty one. Make like a little bridge like that. Then I'm going to take my another strip, bend it over, stick it in the empty one, and then stick it in the yellow one again to make like a little bridge. Take another strip. Put it in the yellow, and then in the empty one, bend this one over, put it in the empty one and the blue water, bend it over, put it in the blue and the empty glass, and I'm going to take our last strip, going to stick it in the empty one, and then the very last one that has the red water in it. So we're going to watch to see if our water walks. And we're going to observe this for about 30 minutes. We're going to let it sit. And we're going to observe and watch to see what is happening. So if you look very closely, you can see that the paper towel is absorbing the water and it's walking right over the bridge and hopefully will go into the next glass. So if we watch this for a little while, we'll see what is happening. Okay, and I'm going to set my timer on my phone. Oh, look at this. The yellow's really walking, and the blue's starting to walk. You can see them all walking. So we're going to observe this for come back in 30 minutes, and we'll observe to see what is happening. We'll see if the water is walking, and then we'll see what happens once it walks into the empty glass. So I'm going to set my timer for the 30 minutes, and we'll come back and see what happens. So I just set it for 30 minutes, and we'll come back in 30 minutes, and I'll see you then. Hi, boys and girls, I'm back. So it's been 30 minutes. My alarm just went off, and I observed and I watched for 30 minutes to see what was happening. So look, something really cool has happened here. So let's take a look. So we put water, colored water, we put the red in here, the yellow, the blue, and then red again at the end. But look at where these empty glasses were. Look what has happened. What can you observe? So the water has walked over the little paper towel bridge into the empty glass, both from the red side and the yellow side, and they mixed into this empty glass, and look what color it made. When the red and the yellow mixed, it made orange. And then the yellow water walked over a little paper towel bridge into this empty glass, and the blue did the same. And look what happened when they met in this glass. They mixed and they made the color green. Then in this empty glass, the blue walked over this little paper towel bridge, and the red walked over that paper towel bridge, and they met in the middle, and they mixed, and they made the color purple, just like a rainbow. So we've observed this for about 30 minutes. I wonder what would happen after an hour. Well, you can do that on your own, and I hope that you try this out because it's really, really fun, and you can see that you made a nice, beautiful rainbow. So have fun with this. You can do it with your brothers and sisters or your parents, and really have fun. I think that you'll really like this experiment. Hope to see you soon, boys and girls. I hope to see you at the end of the year parade at the school. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I really miss you. Bye.